My name is Sami Habal. I am a consultant ophthalmologist and vitreoretinal surgeon at King's College Hospital in London. I decided to become a doctor because I had a lot of passion since I was in my high school when I keep looking at senior doctors and see how rewarding their job is. And I wanted to always to help others and help people getting into their health being and improve their general health and life. What is better than restoring the vision of patients and getting their vision back and giving the gift that we have been given to see the nice and colors and nice things around. And also the ophthalmology or the eyes are the mirrors of the body. I can tell what if there's any problems in the body by looking at the eyes sometimes. And also the eyes are very precious, as you can expect. So I wanted to give something very precious for my patients. When any patient comes and tell me that, thank you, doctor, I can see now much far better. I can do many things which I could never thought I would be able to do it, to see them. I can see my grandchildren, I can drive, I can go around and about. So that's always touched my heart very deeply and give me a lot of reward. I believe that my patients like when they describe me when that I'm a polite doctor and I can explain to them in a very understandable way what are their findings and what is the diagnosis they've got. And then after that, we put all the options on the table in front of them so that they can choose any one of them. And they find always easy to understand and then take a very informed decision about their own health. Yes, I always say happy patient, happy doctor. This is why I always thrive to keep my patients very happy so that I feel very rewarded.